This how-to video is going to go over how you stop and start the VT3000 control center. So the control center is kind of the catch-all for all of these applications. So all these applications talk to that control center, and to be a situation where technicians told you, hey, we need to stop and start that control center. So this is how you're going to do that. You're going to select the VT3000 core software from here. Once you're inside the core software, we want to be under Control Center, which is here underneath this administration. Select that here, or Administration Control Center. And where you want to be is under Applications. You go ahead and click Applications. And then the service we're going over here is this Control Center service. So essentially, you're going to have the properties over here is running. Hit stop. Now then that's going to show you a message that says it's stopped, and you're going to get a start button. It could also show up with the skull and crossbones. And all that means is that it hadn't actually done it yet, so you just refresh and then it'll come up. And when you see this stopped, then you can hit start. And then same thing, could be skull and crossbones. You can hit refresh until you get your square stop button and you see that it's running. So when you stop this VT3000 control center, it automatically stops 3 other services. So the first one of which is the VT3000 service. As you can see, it shows up right here as stopped. All we want to do is hit start. So now that one's good. The next one that we want to go to is the AMS service. As you can see, that one is stopped. So we just want to hit start. So now that'll restart that service. And the final one that you want to look at is the VRS2 service. Click on that on the menu, stop, start. Now I have reset everything after stopping and starting that control center. If you ever come into here and this service shows as stopped and you restart it, you still need to do the same thing. You're going to go and select the AMS service, the VRS2 service, and the VT3000. That'll conclude this how-to on how to restart or stop and start that control center service. Look forward to talking to you again.